Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi suratil Baqarah, wa qala lahum nabiyyuhum inna Allaha qad ba'atha lakum Taluta malika. قالوا أن يكون له الملك علينا ونحن أحق بالملك منه ولم يؤت سعة من المال قال إن الله اصطفاه عليكم وزاده بسطة في العلم والجسم والله يؤتي ملكه من يشاء والله واسع عليم. Translation. And their prophet said to them, Allah has indeed raised up Talut to be your king. They said, how he can be a king over us when we are more deserving for kingship than him, and since he has not been gifted with more wealth? He said, indeed, Allah has chosen him over you and gifted him with abundant knowledge and body physique. Allah gives his kingship to whom he will. And Allah is all embracing, all knowing. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informed the Prophet Hazrat Shamuel alayhi salam that Allah has chosen Talut as the king or the commander for Bani Israel, and he gave him the glad tidings that now you have a king or a commander and he will lead you. Bani Israel were used to doing repeated arguments, criticism. They had the false pride and arrogance, and they showed all these features in this occasion as well. They said that how come Talut be our commander? This is our right. We have lots of wealth and we have the superiority of generation and we belong to the Bani Israel. They thought that it was their right to be the commander of Bani Israel. Hazrat Talut had lots of physical strength and he had military capabilities, but he did not have money. He was not rich, but Allah chose him. And Hazrat Shamuel alayhi salam gave 4 reasons and answers to Bani Israel. Number 1, Talut was chosen by Allah himself and it cannot be wrong. Number 2, that he was very good in the military capabilities and he had more knowledge than the Bani Israel and he had very strong body, and these things were necessary for a commander. Number 3, that Allah gives the leadership and the commandership to whoever he chooses, and nobody can argue about Allah's selection. Number 4, Allah has the limitless capacity and abundance, and he is al-wasi'. He can make anyone who is poor extremely rich. He can make anyone who does not have power the most powerful person, and he can raise anyone to the heights whomever he chooses, and it is not difficult for him. Furthermore, he is al-alim. He knows each and everything, and he also knows that who deserves the commandership and leadership. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and help us understand Quran and apply Quran in our lives. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.